Shut up and sit down.
Clean and inspect oil cooler. Alright, I'll get you a good shot of the oil cooler. There we go. So clean and inspect the oil cooler. As you can see, oil cooler looks clean from the front. And there's a couple little dirt debris there I'll dig out. Oh, actually I'll blow it out with the air compressor here. So let's blow this oil cooler out here, guys. Not too hard. You don't want to bend the fins any worse than they already are. Pretty clean. Pretty clean. So we can mark that off the list. Clean the oil cooler. Alright, inspect oil lines and brake system for leaks, contact, or abrasion. Inspect fuel line fittings for leaks, contact, or abrasions. Front brake. Don't see any oil leaks there. Goes into that. Don't see any oil leaks from this. Goes up to the master cylinder. Nothing there. So no leaks on the front. Here's a deal. Goes into the, try to get you upright here. Goes into the master cylinder, or the rear disc brakes. I don't see any leaks, no spots of leaks. Oil line goes up there. Don't see anything up here. Don't see any leaks on the oil line from here. Going up to the rear master cylinder, which sits right here. The fittings are all clean. Rear master cylinder, clean and full of oil. There's no water in it from what I can see. No leaks on there. Ouch. So we'll check the left front. Calipers. Again, I don't see any oil leaks. Here's the junction block there. Everything looks good. I'd already checked the brake pads, but just to be safe again, I'll check it on this side. Looks pretty good. And the fuel lines here, they looked fine. Like I said, I checked these once already. There's nothing, no leaks. Alright, so I marked them off.